In this video, I want to share with you how to use Google Maps. Okay, so this is a satellite imagery maps that you can easily use to navigate between one point to another and to see more detailed locations within your particular location. You can see more detailed features within your map. So to access the Google Maps, all you need to do is to come to the address bar here and just search maps.google.com, right? All right, so this is Nigeria. This is the map. Okay, so you notice once you start the map, it can show you the key details of the particular place you are looking at, and it's going to show you a search bar here. So the first thing to do is to make sure you are getting it correctly is to sign into your Google account, and over here you have the option to search any location. So for example, let's say we are searching for Perak in Malaysia. Okay, so you can see that this is Perak in Malaysia, and we have an image of Perak in Malaysia. This is like a cover image that's attached to this by Google itself. So what you see a quick fact even about Perak. Perak is a state in the northwest of Peninsular Malaysia. Okay, the city is the capital city. Ipoh is known for its British colonial landmarks, including a Baroque railway station. Okay, so much more to learn from this, and you can see other photos from here that signifies the edifices in Perak. Okay, so up here you can see a bunch of layers from here, and you can see the image of Malaysia and where Perak is directly. Okay, so you can use this plus and minus icon to kind of zoom in and out to the particular location you are targeting within Malaysia, and the map is going to settle and zoom in accordingly, so you can see the detailed features of the place that you are looking out for. Okay, and you can use the map as well to drag and centralize to any location of your choice. Okay, you notice the image, and you can point to a particular location also with it, show your location directly with this very icon. Okay, so let's say we are going in because there are different reasons why people use these maps, Google Maps. Some use it to get directions. Maybe you want to go from point A to point B within Malaysia, or you want to go from one place to another. So the first icon is actually to show directions. So for example, you can click on it and you can show different directions. So for example, you are going from Kuala Lumpur, so let's say from Kuala Lumpur to Perak, let's say from KL to Perak, and let's see the distance, and you can see it has just shown you the distance from KL to Perak. It's about 3 hours 24 minutes. Or you can see different routes. You can follow this route, and you can see the other route also. Once you click, it gets it activated, and you can see the different routes available, and at the top here you have the options to navigate around. Okay, so if you are going through this Utara Selatan, you can just click, which is the shortest, and you can see the route. Or if you are going through this other one, you can just click and you can see the routes changing. All right, so you can switch around, maybe from Perak to KL this time around, not from KL to Perak, and you can see the whole thing is going to change. Okay, so this is Perak to KL, and you can see the basic features, and it has just changed, and you can see the timing and the key features or edifices you can find along the route. You can find restaurants, you can enable this to show, you can see hotels, you can see gas stations, you can enable parking lots, and many more from these 3 dots. Okay, so you click on these 3 dots and you'll find options of banks, takeouts, post offices, pharmacies, groceries, and hospitals. Okay, so looking at the distance from Perak to Kuala Lumpur, you can go there by car. This is by car. For example, you're driving. If you are driving, it's a different route. Okay, it has calculated the distance when you are driving. So if you are going by train, these are the available options that you can see, and it's going to give you an idea of how much time it's going to take you to travel from Perak to Kuala Lumpur. And if you're going by walking also, you can see the different features. Okay, the timing it's going to take you. So by walk, it's going to take you 41 hours using this first route, or using this second route, it's going to take you 44 hours. Okay, that's nearly 2 days. So it depends on when you are leaving. So for example, you can put some options. You can have options, different options. You can have bus, subway, train, and other features. Okay, and other tram and light rail. You can check and see which one. This is best route, and this is the time. This is by bus, by subway, but this takes the best route or fewer transfers, okay, or less walking. You can find all this based on traffic. Okay, so this is about the location and direction. If you want to see the details of a particular location using this Google map, it's very easy. Okay, so let's close this and back to Perak. You can see, assuming you want to go to places like Seriskandar and see a particular site, maybe we can just click on this guy over here, browse street view images. So this is called street view. So you click on this guy and you'll be able to see, you'll be able to drag and drop him to any location of your choice. So let's say we can see street view, photo path, photosphere, and many more. Okay, so let's say we are taking him to somewhere and then try to visualize that particular place. So let's say we zoom out. Okay, so assuming we want to see the street view of Taman Pasirwang, so all you need to do is to drag this guy and paste him at that point. Let's say we drag him and we move to this number 17, or you can just put him here, Taman Temara. You just drop it and let's see how it looks. Let's see what it will show. It will show street view and street path. Okay, so you can see this is the location we've just identified. It's in Ipoh, Perak. Okay, this 2018 image. So you can even equally, this is that spot exactly that we have dropped that guy. You can equally use this arrow to navigate around and move from one spot to another. For example, you can see the 3D view of the street. Okay, this is just by the roadside, and if you want, you can travel a bit far within the street. You can zoom in and travel to somewhere within the street, so you can see the location and you can see the clarity of the image. You can see 3D view. You can even turn around and see. Okay, so you want to go out of it, you can just click on this arrow and you are out of this street view, and you can do so much more. You can change the view of the map from the normal view to another view. For example, you can come to layers and you can see the terrain. You can change it to transit. You can show transit, and you can make it a satellite image. Okay, once you click, it's going to be converted to a satellite image. And you can see it has just been converted to satellite image. You can zoom in to actually see the clarity of it. So one other good thing about this is you will be able to kind of see save this map. Once you have you logged in with your Gmail account, you can easily save it, and you can see nearby features. For example, if you want to see, you click on nearby Perak, what can you see? Let's say restaurants nearby. You can see hotels nearby. You can see bars and pubs nearby. Let's say you're going to see restaurants nearby Perak and it will show you directly. Okay, so you can see different kind of restaurants, and you can see even their locations and how they are being rated by people. Okay, so you can see them populated and even a picture of them, and you can just click on it to have an idea of the kind of restaurant and even an idea of the pricing, how to get in there, or you can book for your place to get there. Okay, so this is restaurant. Maybe you can search nearby other features as well, nearby hotels the same way, and you can see an example of the hotels around and even the estimated amount of money that you need to pay per night. You can see them equally distributed along the Perak Peninsula. Okay, the Perak state. So this is about nearby features. You can close this and you take back to the normal map settings. Okay, so you can send this map to your phone if you want. You can send this to your phone once you're logged in. Because you are logged in, you can send it to your phone easily, and you can share with people. You can share this map of Perak with people. You can send it with this location. You can copy this link. You can share on Facebook, you can share on Twitter, and you can copy this link and share it to someone so you can easily click and get into here. And you can embed this map. You can copy it for HTML for your website. You can copy this and embed it on your website so that anyone that clicks it will get into this location, this Perak map. And this is how to share. And then when you come to these 3 lines, you can see other options as well. You can check about terrains, you can see your places, your contributions, because you can make contributions as well. Enable location sharing, your data in maps, and share or embedded maps. We've just showed about that. And you can print this map. Okay, you can add a missing place that you think is missing, and Google is going to review that. You can edit the map or add your business if it's not already listed. You can add it. Take a tour. You can have tips and tricks. You can check out so many things. You can change language of the display of the maps if you want, and so much more. Okay, so feel free to try it and you enjoy the feature. Over here, when you click on this arrow, you'll be able to see some display of some pictures around, showcasing different kind of places within Malaysia that we have just highlighted around Malaysia. Okay, around this map, you can see this is Kelly's Castle, okay, which is located in Perak. It's because an edifice. You can see it easily from here, and you can see this is Islamic Center. Okay, this is the street view of Penang. Okay, this is Penang. This is Masjid Agong. This is street view of Langkawi. Okay, so you can kind of check around and see. This is Lumut Pangkor Resort. So you can feel free to check in these pictures, because they show the key places, and you can see the arrows directly pointing and getting you to those places. You can easily go there by mere clicking, like Langkawi. It's a very nice island. I've been there, and it has cool features and views, and you can do quite a lot in that island. You can see it very nice, with very nice view. It's a very cool place to relax and take your vacation. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about the Google Maps, what you can do with it, how you can use it to navigate between locations, and how you can use it to get a detailed view of your street or your location. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.